African Society for Quality in Healthcare presents Basic Quality Tools. Flowchart.
I'm confused. I don't know what I should do.
If you want to understand your new job, if you want to understand where is the problem, if you want to know your task in this process, if you want to explain the process to your new employee, I have a bright idea for you. What about Flowchart?
I don't understand. What is Flowchart? Can you help me to understand Flowchart?
Flowchart is to provide graphic representation of the elements, components, or tasks associated with the process.
So, what is the meaning of oval symbol?
Oval, used to indicate the beginning and the end of a process.
Okay, what is the meaning of the rectangle symbol?
Rectangle, mean process step.
What about diamond symbol?
Diamond symbol, that denotes a decision point in the process. This includes attribute type decisions such as pass, fail, yes, no. Drawing of flowchart. First step. Select a start and end point. You must specify start and end points. Since it is possible to have many flowcharts describing various sections, elements, or components of a process, particularly when the process gets large and complex, start and end points for flowcharts are used to define boundaries of process. Second step. List major steps, or tasks, and decision points. List, in sequential order, each of the major steps, or tasks, and decision points that occur as part of the process between the start and end points. Third step. Use standardized graphical symbols to show documentation of the process. Fourth step. Review results. Compare the flowchart with the process to verify that the flowchart is complete and accurately describes the process. Having more than one person independently verify the flowchart is generally considered standard protocol. Types of flowcharts. First type, linear flowchart. A linear flowchart is a diagram that displays the sequence of work steps that make up a process. This tool can help identify rework and redundant or unnecessary steps within a process. Second type is deployment flowchart. A deployment flowchart shows the actual horizontal lines, define customer-supplier relationships, process flow, and identifies the people or groups involved at each step. This type of chart shows where the people or groups fit into the process sequence and how they relate to one another throughout the process. Third type is an opportunity flowchart. A variation of the basic linear type differentiates process activities that add value from those that add cost only.
Change started.
Change with us.
African Society for Quality in Healthcare SQH.
www.asqh.org